Welcome students. In the previous video, we have covered how to find GCD by using long division method. It's a simple small example. Now in connection to that, now we are going to discuss same how to compute or find GCD by using set method. It is also one of the methods. Easy to compute GCD. Very simple. Let us take one example in our case. So for example, find the GCD, greatest common divisor, is also called as HCF, highest common factor. Both are same. For let us take two other numbers, simple numbers 24 and 46. 24 and 46. By this method, set method. In the set method, what we will do, because divisor or factor both mean the same, just the way of writing is different. What you do, we can take let A is equal to set, means collection, set of divisors of 24. We have to take all the divisors. What are the numbers that divide 24 in a set? It's very simple. In a set, we are going to use curly type of brackets. 1 will be the first number that can divide any integer, 1. Next test which number will divide 24. 2 will divide, 3 also divide, 4, 5 won't divide, 6, 7 won't divide. You can check all those things, very simple. 8 will divide, 9 cannot, 10 cannot. Divide in sense we should get remainder 0, exactly divisible. 9 won't divide, 10 won't divide, 11 won't divide, of course 12 will divide, 12 to 24, then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, we keep on checking like that, we end up with only 24 at last. Every number is divisible by itself. I think no other number after 12 except 24 will come into picture that divides 24. Similarly, you take one more set B, you name it as B, just like same thing, set of divisors of 46. So collecting those one will be there, 2, 3, 1s are 3, 3 won't divide, 5 won't divide, 6 won't divide, 7 won't divide, 8 fails, 9 fails, 10 fails, 11 fails, 13 fails, 14, 15, 16, 17, up to 20, 21, 23. I think it divides. 23 into 2, 46. Next, no other number will divide except 46. You can cross check this too. Now, what we must to take here? We will take intersection of these two. Means we have to take those divisors which are common in this set and this set. 1 is common, 2 is common. I think only these two are only common divisors. In this set, the highest one or the greatest factor is 2. Therefore, GCD is equal to 2. The highest one, highest common factor. This is your result. Or you can show GCD of 24, 46 comes out to be 2. But This is a very time taking procedure. We have to check all the numbers whether it divides or not. It is time consuming. Compared to 1 and 2, I recommend the first one is very simple to get the GCD. This method, it is one of the methods you should know how you can compute. For small numbers, okay, we can able to guess like this. For if the number is very huge, it is very time taking process. Only computer can generate all the divisors. So I recommend the first one when compared to this one to find compute GCD by set method. In next video, we are going to cover with an algorithm, step-by-step procedure. That is a procedure given to computer. It can generate GCD in fraction of second, and the GCD number has more applications in number theory and cryptography, in cyber security, in higher classes level. Hope it is very clear to you this video, so that some idea you can generate what are the methods to find GCDs. It is one of them. Second one, set method we designed. Do like, share our videos to your friends so that they also can know the concept points clearly. All the best.